In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money to GMGN Crypto. So the first thing you need is of course GMGN account, and in case you don't have an account yet, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and if you sign up using my link, you will get a 30% discount on all trading fees forever on GMGN, so make sure you check that out. So from here, once you're inside GMGN, if you want to top up and send some crypto to there, what you want to do on top right, you want to simply click on this arrow and then click on deposit/withdraw. And over here under deposit, you can see your receive wallet address, which is this one over here, or you also have the QR code. So you can just copy this wallet over here, just like this. I just copied it with this button click. And then you want to simply go to a wallet where you have some Solana. Now, as you can see, this is very important. It says only transfer Solana related assets to this address. Otherwise, you could lose your currency. So basically, what I do, just go to a different wallet where you hold some Solana. So for example, I'm going to go to Phantom over here. And inside there, you want to click on send. And then you want to click on Solana. Click on the recipient Solana address and you want to paste this in. We just copied, so paste that in. You want to paste in the amount, so let's say 1 Solana, and then you want to click next and send it. Now, I have insufficient funds on this wallet, of course. However, if you have any, you'll be able to simply send it and then receive it on here onto your GMGN wallet. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.